We're Minorities in Aerospace. This is our project for engineering open house. It's a little drone, and pretty much the way it works is it has a sensor array on it that detects distance from an object. So it can detect that my hand is like 1/4 of a meter away, 1/10 of a meter away, etc. And using those sensors, it can feed that information into the chip, which will then tell the propellers how fast to spin in order to keep it flat.
Yes, and with this information taken from the sensors, we can even have it detect objects, and as soon as objects get nearby, we can have it move in multiple directions, back, forward, up and down, to avoid collision with said object. Just with this, there are a lot of different types of uses for future and present applications, like in drone racing, drone taxi cabs, even drone delivery and spreading pesticides and stuff over farmland.